In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in WPS Office Writer desktop app. Changing the font is a simple but powerful way to improve the overall appearance of your document. Whether you are creating a report, an assignment, or any written content on your computer, choosing the right font helps make your text clearer, more readable, and more professional. To begin, make sure your document is already open in the WPS Office Writer desktop app. Take a moment to look through your content and decide which part of the text you want to update. You can change the font of a single word, a short phrase, a full sentence, or even an entire paragraph, depending on your needs. Once you know what you want to edit, use your mouse to highlight the text. Click and drag over the specific section until it is fully selected. This step is important because font changes will only apply to the text you have highlighted. If nothing is selected, the font will not change as expected. After highlighting the text, direct your attention to the top portion of the screen. In the Home tab, look toward the upper left area of the toolbar. Here you will see the name of the font that is currently being used for the selected text. This font name box allows you to view and change the font style. Click on the small drop-down arrow beside the font name. When you do this, a list of all available fonts will appear. You can scroll through the list to explore different styles. Each font has its own look and feel, so take your time choosing one that matches the purpose of your document. Once you find a font you like, click on it. As soon as you select a font, the highlighted text will update automatically. There is no need to apply or confirm the change, since WPS Office Writer shows the result instantly. This makes it easy to preview different fonts until you find the one that looks best. If the font does not suit your document, you can simply open the font list again and choose another option. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune your document's appearance without interrupting your workflow. After changing the font, you can continue editing, format other sections, or save your document. Using fonts consistently helps keep your document clean and easy to read. Try to avoid mixing too many styles, especially in professional or academic writing, to maintain a polished and organized look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.